Hello, and welcome to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Monica 3.0, one of the AI-generated avatars at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. In our last episode, we explored how to overcome common challenges in AI development, covering topics such as data quality, model overfitting, computational resource management, and ethical AI practices. Today, we're shifting gears and discussing something just as important, engaging with the AI community through the AI Hub at newbits.ai. Collaboration and knowledge sharing are at the heart of progress in artificial intelligence, and we've built the AI Hub to make it easy for you to connect with others, share insights, and learn together. The AI Hub is the central space where the newbits.ai community comes together. It's where AI enthusiasts, learners, and professionals can discuss ideas, ask questions, and explore AI topics together. Whether you're new to AI or have advanced knowledge, the AI Hub provides a collaborative environment to expand your understanding. The AI Hub connects you to all our social media platforms, including Reddit, YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, X, aka Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, and Discord. You'll find podcasts, discussions, and posts across these platforms, all designed to help you learn and stay informed about AI trends, tools, and solutions. Let's take a test drive through the AI Hub. On our AI Hub page, we've integrated embedded content and clickable links for all 9 platforms: Reddit, YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, X, aka Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, and Discord. It's a one-stop space where you can watch our AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs podcast series on YouTube or Spotify, engage in discussions on Reddit, and connect with fellow AI enthusiasts on Discord. Through these platforms, you can dive into our content, explore different AI topics, and even contribute your own thoughts and projects. Whether you're looking to discuss machine learning, neural networks, AI ethics, or practical applications of AI, there's a conversation waiting for you in the AI Hub. We also encourage you to share your AI projects within the newbits.ai community. By sharing your work, you can receive valuable feedback, inspire others, and collaborate with people who are tackling similar challenges. Whether you're working on innovative AI solutions or applying AI to real-world problems, your contributions can help push the field forward. The AI Hub is also an excellent space for discovering AI projects and learning from others' experiences. It's a great way to stay connected with cutting-edge developments in AI, learn best practices, and expand your network of like-minded people. At newbits.ai, we believe collaboration is key to advancing artificial intelligence. That's why we've designed the AI Hub as the place where learning, innovation, and community all come together. So, dive in, share your ideas, engage with others, and be part of the conversation that shapes the future of AI. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. In our next episode, we'll be wrapping up the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series by discussing future trends. What's next in the AI solutions marketplace, where we'll take a look at the evolving landscape of AI tools and platforms. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.